Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cake of Oreo biscuit, easy method. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and grease an 8-inch pan. Crush 20 Oreo biscuits and mix with 4 tablespoons melted butter for the base. Press firmly and chill for 10 minutes. Whip 2 cups cream cheese with 1 cup sugar until smooth, fold in chopped Oreos, and spread over the crust evenly. Once your filling is in the pan, gently tap to release air bubbles and smooth the top with a spatula. Place the pan on a middle rack and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until the center is mostly set, but slightly jiggly. Remove from oven and cool on a wire rack for 30 minutes, then refrigerate to let the cake fully firm and the flavors marry for a cleaner slice. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. A helpful book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and spending on food. Check the description for the link and special deals. Thanks for the support and for checking those resources. Now let's get back to the video. When ready to serve, run a knife under hot water and dry it to make clean cuts through the chilled cake. Top each slice with whipped cream, extra Oreo crumbs, or a drizzle of melted chocolate for contrast. Pair with coffee or milk for a classic combo, and consider serving smaller portions because this cake is rich and satisfying for any celebration or casual treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.